The optical cassette is a pair of gasketed windows that protect the laser and camera on Fuse 1 generation printers from dust and debris. Inspect your printer's optical cassette after every print. Contaminants on the optical window may lead to print failures, so it's important to clean your optical cassette as needed. In this video, we'll walk you through how to clean the optical cassette on your Fuse 1 generation printer. If this video helps you solve your printer's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. The standard cleaning process requires ethanol. If the standard process is insufficient, perform a more thorough cleaning using alkanox, ethanol, and distilled water. Dispenser bottles for these cleaning agents come packaged with the printer. If ethanol is unavailable, 99.9% isopropyl alcohol is an acceptable alternative cleaning agent. However, it's important to note that isopropyl alcohol does not evaporate as quickly as ethanol and thus is more difficult to clean with. To start, we'll be removing the optical cassette from the printer. First, put on a new clean pair of nitrile gloves. Powder, skin oils, and other contaminants may smudge the glass windows in the optical cassette. On the touchscreen, drag the unlock door slider. The print enclosure door unlocks. Open the print enclosure door. On the ceiling of the print enclosure, there is a thumb screw located in the front center of the printer cavity. Loosen the thumb screw until the cassette tray swings down. Slide the optical cassette out of the cassette tray. Set the optical cassette aside on a clean, flat surface with the gaskets facing down. Ensure that nothing is directly touching either glass window of the optical cassette. Next, we will inspect the optical cassette now that it has been removed from the printer. Inspect the glass windows on the optical cassette for any signs of loose powder, dust, or other contaminants. In particular, we are looking for discrete specks of dust or powder, small smudges or fingerprints, or cloudiness or reduced clarity. If you see that the optical cassette has been contaminated, clean it following the standard optical cassette cleaning procedure that we'll cover in this video. While Formlabs recommends inspecting the optical cassette after every print, you should expect to need to clean the optical cassette after 5 to 10 prints. We will now go over the standard optical cassette cleaning procedure. To start, make sure your gloves are clean. If any powder or contaminants got on your gloves while removing the optical cassette from the printer, take a moment to switch to a new pair. Any dirt or debris on your gloves will make the cleaning procedure more difficult. Using a microfiber cleaning cloth, open the bottle of ethanol and place the cleaning cloth against the top. Slowly depress the center of the bottle until a light stream of ethanol dispenses onto the cleaning cloth. Repeat several times until the cleaning cloth is wet but not soaked. Wipe the optical cassette with the microfiber cleaning cloth wetted with ethanol in a single direction. Keep in mind we are cleaning this side without the blue gaskets. Take care to not drag the cloth back and forth, as this might create streaks. Continue to wipe across the glass until the entire window has been cleaned. Take a second pass at cleaning the optical window with a cleaning cloth. This time, wipe in a direction that is perpendicular to the first pass. Now that the glass windows are cleaned, it is time to clean the window gaskets. Wet an unused microfiber cleaning cloth with ethanol as before. Pick up the optical cassette and wipe the gaskets with the microfiber cleaning cloth to remove any contaminants. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the ethanol on the optical cassette to fully evaporate. Lastly, inspect the glass windows of the optical cassette. If there are any visible streaks or deposits, or sections look foggy, repeat the procedure. Small blemishes or color differences do not affect print success or quality. If the standard cleaning procedure is insufficient to fully clean the optical cassette, Formlabs recommends the full cleaning procedure. As before, put on a pair of new, clean nitrile gloves. Place the dirty optical cassette on a clean work surface. The side without gaskets should be face up. Next, open the bottle of alkanox. Using a new microfiber cleaning cloth, press it against the top of the bottle and slowly depress the center of the bottle until a light stream of alkanox dispenses onto the cleaning cloth. Repeat several times until the cleaning cloth is wet but not soaked. Wipe the optical cassette with the microfiber cleaning cloth wetted with alkanox in a single direction, moving across the glass surface until the entire surface has been cleaned. Ensure that you are not dragging the cloth back and forth, as this may create streaks. Continue to wipe across the glass until the entire window has been cleaned. Take a second pass at cleaning the optical window with a cleaning cloth. This time, wipe in a direction that is perpendicular to the first pass. Now that we've wiped the glass windows with alkanox, we need to remove any traces of alkanox from the optical cassette. First, put on a new pair of nitrile gloves to ensure that no alkanox is transferred back to the windows. Next, wipe the optical window thoroughly with distilled water dispensed from a squirt bottle onto a microfiber cleaning cloth. Ensure that all Alkanox is fully removed from the optical cassette. Once the optical cassette has been thoroughly rinsed, dry it with a new, dry cleaning cloth until the glass surface dries. You may need multiple cleaning cloths to fully dry the entire optical cassette. Once the optical cassette is cleaned with distilled water and dry, perform one last cleaning pass with ethanol. Wet a new microfiber cleaning cloth with ethanol in the same procedure as before. Next, wipe the cleaning cloth wet with ethanol against the glass windows in a singular direction. Next, perform a second pass perpendicular to the first. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the ethanol on the optical cassette to fully evaporate. Inspect the glass windows of the optical cassette. If there are any visible streaks or deposits, or sections look foggy, repeat the procedure. Small blemishes or color differences do not affect print success or quality. Now that the optical cassette has been cleaned, it is time to reinstall the optical cassette into the printer. To insert the cleaned optical cassette, place it into the cassette tray. The blue gaskets should face upwards. Return the cassette tray to its closed position and tighten the thumb screw in the front of the printer cavity. Close the print enclosure door. Press firmly to ensure that the door is fully latched. We have now finished the cleaning process. Remember to inspect the optical cassette after every print and clean as needed to ensure printing success. If your optical cassette cannot be cleaned, replacements are available for purchase online at the Formlabs store. Need help? Contact Formlabs support or certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more content. What video would you like to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.